It's 6:30 in the morning, or thereabouts. I'm standing in a small town of Williams, Arizona. And you're looking down the main street. This is the old original Route 66 right down through here. Well, now we're on one of the famous Cadillacs. Every one of these cars is buried in a farmer's field or Cadillacs. This is the very famous Cadillac Ranch. The paint on some of these cars are anywhere from 2 to 3 inches thick. How much paint? Anybody comes up here is welcome to paint their name or whatever on them. This is awesome. See this? This is why I'm out here. And this is why we do what we do. You can't get this from no car window. There it is, folks. The famous Cadillac Ranch. It does exist. It is for real. Out in the middle of a farmer's field.